Hi guys, I'm a bit late today. It is pretty hard to keep stable with these videos, and it seems that I slept all the day. Okay, so today we will have a video about two games, Humster Kombat and Cat Gold Miner, with both daily combos and daily ciphers. Also, I want to talk about playground section, and as you see, I have only one key. I received only one key, and it's something crazy today. Probably they have issues with it. I received my first key in the morning, and then during the almost hour of playing this riding extreme 3D game, this event didn't work. Yeah, I tried several ways to get these keys. I play races. I bought bicycles. I watched this YouTube advertisement. I tried to buy some skins for advertisement, like gloves, and nothing. Nothing at all. So I don't know how much advertisement have I seen today, but I received only one key on the beginning and then nothing. And I asked my friends, they have the same issue. So everything they collected in the morning are okay, but then no codes anymore. So if you hadn't here yet, so it's not your problem. It is problem with this game. Okay, let's go with daily combo in Humster Kombat. The first one in PR&Team, it will be influencers. The next one is anti-hacking shield. Yeah, probably I can afford it. Let's see what happened today. And the last one is compliance officer. I suppose it is here also. Yep, 2.5 million. So finally I got my combo the first time for 3 days. Then we'll go to the daily cipher. And let's try to enter our code here. As you see, I have a new skin. By the way, I recorded a video today about it, this update. Like, we have a lot of new skins here. I bought all of them. They were for 1 million, I suppose. And you achieve some achievements for the number of skins you own. And here are all of my other achievements. They are placed in the skins here. So if you are interested in it, just buy it, and I don't know, I suppose it will have impact on the airdrop. Okay, so what about our daily cipher? The word is shirts. The first letter is S. I will place everything mentioned here in the description, so you don't need to stay with me for the whole video. Just take it and enter into your game. So letter S is 3 dots. Letter H, 4 dots, but I try not to rush, not to erase all my previous entered letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter A, as I remember, it is a dot and a dash. And letter R is a dot dash dot, and letter D is dash 2 dots, and letter S is 3 dots. Okay, done with it. Not sure about the mini games. I didn't watch tutorials today, but let's try to do it online and see what we can do with it. No, not here. Nothing here. What to do? What to do? Probably here. This one here. Let's do it. And how can it help me? Maybe in this way. Sorry. Let's do it again now. I can do. We have what we have. No, probably not today. I can't do it. I don't know why. No. Okay, I'll try to do it next time. I mean, we have the whole day long, so we can watch the video. Usually I can share my tip. Usually I go to the Humster Kombat official channel on YouTube. It is called Humster Kombat Announcement, as I remember. And they have solution in their videos for this day. So you can just open it on another screen, like another smartphone or TV or tablet or PC, anything, and just play with them online. I mean, you open this video with tutorial and click the same items and move them at the same time. So it is very easy, but sometimes I try to solve it by myself. Sometimes I can do it, and sometimes I can't. Okay, let's go with the next game. I mean, we did everything here. By the way, we have a new card here. If you didn't see it, Web3 advertising platform. It is profitable for now till the level 14 or 15 as usual. And don't forget about previous ones. It was profitable, but not now. And special, we have nothing here. Okay. So let's go with Cat Gold Miner. Yeah, I have a lot of games. By the way, if you want to enter into the most popular airdrops, it is called dogs. So everything you need to do is just enter this bot, and they count your score according to your number of years using Telegram. So as longer you are in, as much you will receive. Also, they have some extra tasks. So if you want to be here also, I'll share my referral link, so you can find it in the description. Also, they have some Notcoin, but basically Notcoin announced in new games called Lost Dogs here, and it will be airdrop will be in 45 days, I suppose. So also nothing special here, but it is easy to receive your rewards, and you can, I'm not sure, but I can say we can trust them for 40-50% that they make airdrop, since they the same people who developed Notcoin game. Okay, let's go with Cat Gold Miner. I mean, I skipped last day, but I actually need this plus 5 hours of my offline income. I just want to open next level on my another mine here. By the way, the algorithm of my gameplay is you select any mine and upgrade their elevator and warehouse, and then new floor you're opening with the cat GM tokens, and then you can collect much more gold, and using this gold open the same level on all other mines. If you can, you should open new mines. Like if you see, I have six mines, so you go to the newest one and try to upgrade their floors to receive these tokens, which you can spend for a new floor on your first mine. So it will help you a lot. And don't forget about these daily tasks, like this one, so they bring you some tokens. Okay, let's go with daily combo. And as I remember, we have the same anti-hack shield in this game, right? Then we have risk management here, and then we need to go to the legal and find license Vietnam. I hope I can buy it. And no, I can't. I don't have enough friends. Yeah, I told about it before, but it's not fair. I mean, I have 14 friends. I invited 14 friends, and only 3 of them are counted because they were added after this feature appeared. I mean, every friend I invited before aren't counted. Okay. So I can't collect daily combo because of it, and I don't have no new friends. Let's go then with daily cipher, and the word is swap. So letter S 3 dots, letter W dot 2 dashes, letter A dot and a dash, and letter B is dot dash dash dot. Okay, don't forget to claim to receive your 1 hour income, like me. And this is it. So thank you for watching. I hope you stay with me for the whole 15 minutes. I didn't expect I spent so long here today. I mean, I haven't recorded it during the day, and yesterday at night yeah, as I told before, I sleeping a lot. And so thank you for watching once again, and bye.